So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So select all-in-one HP DeskJet 2752 all-in-one. So by default detect Windows 11. So if you are using different, so select the OS which is you require download, and if not getting, just click to update. When you select another, so it will detect automatically. Okay. So you can see this is HP Smart. This is a small software, but this is required to internet. This is a printer, that is a printer update firmware, so you can download if you are update. This is a basic driver. Okay, require offline use only. Just click to download. So this is the firmware. So if you have to update, so just click to download. Okay. And this is driver, offline driver, and click to download. After completed, just single click to setup. Then wait few seconds. This is extracting. Click to continue. So do you want to help to the software better, and then you can click if you know about your printer IP, so you can search by IP. Okay, otherwise continue. So this is simple, just click to find out the IP address and type, and then click to search. If it is not getting, so click continue. So if your printer connect to Wi-Fi, by LAN to your switch and router, and otherwise you can connect to USB, so just click USB, and when you connect a cable, USB cable to printer and laptop, so it will detect the next to install. After completed, restart your system and printer also. Thank you.